Hi guys, in this video how to break the sentence. Here we can see that good, nice and bad. So I have type good, nice and bad in one sentence. If your data is more, so it is difficult to remove the sentence one by one. So I will show you how to this in some small commands like first we can select your data, control A, and then we can again press Ctrl H, and here we can type Ctrl J, and then we can click replace all and then OK and remove this page. Here we can see that the good, nice and bad in one sentence. So you can adjust the this cell. Here we can see that, so it is very good, and small take time to your excel when the data is more.